Hello students, today we are going to study degrees of comparison. There are two types of adjectives, gradable adjectives and non-gradable adjectives. Okay, now first we will see these gradable adjectives. These gradable adjectives. Now, in this gradable adjective, many adjectives can change. In form to show comparison. Okay. Such adjectives are known as gradable adjectives. Now, these gradable adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison. Which 3 degrees of comparison? They are like this: positive degrees, comparative degrees, and superlative degrees. Okay. Now, first we'll see positive degree. Positive degree. Now here positive degree, we can say positive degree also, positive degree. An adjective in the positive degree merely show a quality or shows it as being equal to another. Means here in the positive degree it shows a quality as being equal to another. Okay. For example, we'll see warm, then brave, sad, then important. These adjectives are come in a positive degree. Okay. Now next one we'll see comparative degree. Comparative degree. This comparative degree, an adjective in the comparative degree shows a quality as being more than something else. Means it shows a quality as being more than something else. Okay. Now see the examples. Here in positive degree, warm. In comparative degree, it is a warmer. Then brave, braver. Okay. Sad, sadder. DDER. Important, more important. Okay. Now next degree is superlative degree. Now in superlative degree, an adjectives in the superlative degree shows a quality as being the most or the best in comparison to all the others. Means it shows, you can write here definition, shows a quality as being the most or the best in comparison to all the other. Okay, now for examples we'll write. Here in the positive degree, this adjective warm, comparative warmer, and in the superlative warmest. Same like that other also. Brave, braver, and here it will come bravest. Bravest. Then sad, sadder, here saddest. Then important. Then here more important, here superlative degree, most important. Okay, got it? Now students, see, here we are going to form the comparative degree and the superlative degree. Now see, here some rules are given. First, add ER and EST. Means word is in the positive degree, then suppose here kind word is given. When we add ER, then it will become kinder. Means it is in a comparative degree. Kindest, EST, when we add, it goes in a superlative degree. Okay, kind, kinder, kindest. Second, if the adjective ends in E, drop the E and add ER and EST. Now here you can see in the second rule, words are given noble and large, and these adjectives are end with a letter E. Now drop this E and add ER and EST, means noble, nobler, noblest, large, larger, largest. Okay. Now next, if the adjective ends in Y, change the Y to I and add ER and EST. Here lazy and greedy, two adjectives are given, and these both the adjectives are ending with Y. So we are going to change this Y. Instead of Y, we'll write I and ER for the comparative degree, and change the Y, write I and write EST, add EST for the superlative degree. Okay, so lazy, lazier, laziest, greedy, greedier, greediest. Now next, for short words ending with a consonant sound, double the last letter and then add ER and EST. Now here some words, adjectives are given: fat, thin and red. Here what we are going to do, double the last letter, means which are the last letter over here? T, N and D. So we'll double it and write ER for comparative degree and EST for superlative degree. Fat, fatter, fattest, thin, thinner, thinnest, red, redder, reddest. Okay, now fifth one, for adjectives of more than 2 syllables, add more and most before the word. Okay, so expensive and difficult. Expensive, more expensive, most expensive. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Okay, now last one, some adjectives form the comparative and superlative degree in an irregular manner. Means here some adjectives are given. These adjectives form a superlative and comparative degree in an irregular manner. Means good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, little, less, least, far, further, furthest, much, more, most, old, older or elder, oldest or eldest. Okay students, so this is the formation of comparative degree and the superlative degree. Now see students, here some sentences are given and we are going to fill in the blanks with the correct form of adjectives, and these adjectives are given in the bracket. Okay, so we are going to change these adjectives in the comparative, superlative, or as it is also we can write, means positive degree also. Okay, according to the sentence. First one, Milton is a dash poet, but Shakespeare is even dash than Milton, and the adjective is given famous. So in the first, Milton is a famous poet, but Shakespeare is even more famous than Milton. Okay, more famous will come, means comparative degree. I find this Harry Potter book the dash of the series, and in the bracket good is given. Okay, so the which degree means which adjective will come over here? I find this Harry Potter book the best of the series. Okay, good, better, best means superlative degree it is. My house is dash to the school. Richa's house is dash than mine is. Sam's house is the dash, and the adjective is given clothes. So first, in the first fill in blanks, it will come the positive degree. My house is a close to the school. Then Richa's house is closer. Then mine is comparative degree. Comparison between two. Okay. Sam's house is the dash closest superlative degree. Then fourth one, Sumant is a dash boy, but Hafiz is certainly dash than Sumant, and the adjective is given lucky. Sumant is a lucky boy, but Hafiz is certainly luckier than Sumant. Luckier, comparative degree. Today's been a dash day. However, yesterday was, and July 26th was the dash, and the adjective is given wet. So today's been a wet day, positive degree. However, yesterday was wetter, comparative degree, and July 26th was the wettest, superlative degree will come. Okay, so students, in this way we can write the degrees of comparison. Hope you understood degrees of comparison and how to form a comparative and superlative degree.